Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand 10 kg washer and 7 kg dryer. This machine having problem with the actually after selecting any option within few minutes is showing OE error message. Now I already selected 30 minutes and let's see until coming error message OE. Now it came 19, still not showing OE error message. I already selected quick 30. Now it's decreasing time now came up to 19. Now according to the customer it is telling remaining time 18 minutes it shows. This will show OE error message. Now let's see. Now it's came already up to 18 minutes. Now it should drain all the water from the machine, but still not draining. Yes dear friends, you can see here it came already OE error message. That's mean water not draining. Now we have to check the pump. It is any something clogged, it's blocked something. Otherwise we have to replace the drain motor. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. Now we have to, you can see here it is inside fabric, also water also. Because of that, now what we have to do, we have to first of all we have to remove the water from the machine. After that we can we we have to use this one. Now I'm going to take the water from here to this garbage bag. We will release this one. All the water will come to here. And we take out this cloth from the machine. It is one blanket inside. Now here you can see inside it's too much water. We will remove the drain cup also and water will come quickly. Remove the drain cup also. I select already here spin cycle. Yeah, it's not working drain pump. Now we have to remove the front panel because this one we are not able to fix from the bottom because already cover. Because of that we have to remove the front panel with the door. After that only we can check the drain motor. And we will remove here one screw. After that we have to remove these two screws. Now we will shut down the machine. We have to switch off power. Now I already power off the machine. We have to remove the back cover here, top cover. Two screws are here. Now here gasket ring we have to remove. And now we can remove the detergent drawer here. And two screws are here. And also here we can remove one screw here, otherwise we are not able to remove. If you are not removing these two screws, we are not able to take it out display panel. That's enough actually, no need to take it out. Now here two three screws. Now we can take it out front panel. It's easy, downside no any lock. Now we can take like that. Now we can check drain pump. You can see here, my dear friends, I will remove the connector here. You can see, and also we can remove here. So while turning anti-clockwise, it will come out. Just like that, we can remove. This is the pump. You can see here this pump. It is BLDC motor. The part number is EAU 640-28902. Also, this is DC pump 26 volt. We have to replace the as same. Now I'm going to replace the drain motor. It is the same. The part number wise, both parts number is same. EAU 6408292. This one also same, 902 BLDC 24 watts. Now I'm going to replace the new motor, and just simply we have to fix this one, and we have to turn anti-clockwise. After that, it's like that, it will come lock. I will show you again how to this one here lock. This lock we have to expand a little bit like that. After that, clockwise we have to turn. It's like that. You can see here, you can remove like that. Fixing also same. It's like that. Anti-clock you have to turn until this lock will come. After that, it will be okay. Also, I have to tell one thing, while before fixing, you have to check this o-ring. This is gasket actually. If it is not available, water will leak. This is broken already, is damaged. Now I have to fix here connector. Now it's okay. Front panel with the cover. Here just simply we have to fix this lock only. No screws downside. After that we have to fix screws are here, and these screws are here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix display with the front panel. Slide that will come here, and also two screws. This one you can see special screws. This is stainless steel, not getting corrosion. Fix back of the display panel. Here two screws. Don't forget that one. You have to fix that two screws here. One. Now it's okay. Downside near the drain pump, we have to fix two screws are here. After that, we can fix this cover. Also, don't forget this lock, it should be here. And one screw here. Can close it properly. And now I have to fix door switch here. Now we have to fix the gasket here. Now gasket ring I have to fix. Finally, I have to fix the drawer, detergent drawer. Now we will check one. Before closing the top cover, we will check one. I'm selecting quick 30. Now you can see here it is water take into the machine. Now I will do one thing, I will stop the machine and I will select spin cycle and we will check drain pump. Now we can check the pump is working. Now we can check pump is working properly, no any issue. My job already completed now. I can close the top cover. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.